Dynamic Language Tools is a Bookmarklet application which helps you read and write in your own language on the web. Though currently just Urdu language is supported, but I plan to add support for other languages very soon. So let's get started. To use this application, you first need to create and save a bookmarklet of it in your browser. The steps are easy. First, go to the site homepage. Once you're there, you can go to the products page. You will find the bookmarklet link in the how it works section. In Firefox, you can create the bookmarklet as easy as by just dragging and dropping on the bookmarks toolbar, and that's it. This bookmarklet creation process varies from browser to browser. For example, in IE, to create the bookmarklet, you need to right click on the bookmarklet link and select add to favorites. In the add to favorite preference dialog, for the folder, if you select the links, then you can show these links as a toolbar in your IE window as well. For the Chrome, the process is again as simple as you can create the bookmarklet by drag and drop to your bookmarks toolbar. Once the bookmarklet is created, you can rename it to something more familiar to you. For example, I will give it a name, Urdu Tools. After you have created and saved the bookmarklet in your browser, you can test it by clicking on the Urdu Tools link. When you do that, it will show a loading screen, and when the loading is complete, it will show the preferences dialog. This dialog contains some handy functions related to the transliteration, information about the transliteration and the preferences. We will be discussing these shortly in detail. For now, let's see how this dynamic language tools helps us in reading and writing in Urdu. After language tools are loaded in the web page, you can write Urdu in any text box by simply doing a control click, that is holding down your control key when doing the click. When you do this, you will notice an Alimadda sign in the text box indicating that now you can type Urdu in this text box directly. So for example, if I search for something like Mirza Ghalib, this will be converted to the corresponding Urdu characters, and I can also search for this in the Google, and you will see that Google is bringing the Urdu results. This Urdu writing techniques nearly works on all the popular sites on the web. For example, if I am on the Facebook, then I can load the Urdu language tools, and once it's loaded, I can use Urdu to set my status, like Papu and which means don't deny me, and I can chat with my friends in Urdu. Again, we'll do a control click, and it is again being translated into Urdu. You can also give comments on wall in Urdu. There is one trick though. It's an RTF, which is rich text editor, and you can't directly translate in this text box. You can do a workaround, and which is that first you type whatever comments you would like to type, like and once you have added the comment, you can do a control enter, and when you do that, text will automatically translate it into Urdu, and now you can share it with your friends. Dynamic language tools application not only helps you in the writing, but it helps you in the reading as well. For example, I'm on the urdupages.com, and I see a ghazal which is written in the Roman Urdu. I can convert this to the corresponding actual Urdu characters by highlighting this and clicking on the translate selected text button. it's in progress, and you will see that uh, it has been automatically transliterated into the corresponding Urdu characters. Once the transliteration is done, you can also review the words and fix them. For example, this should be hum pareshan here, and similarly you can do for the rest of the converted ghazal. If you rather would like to convert the complete page, then it's also easy. Just need to click on the transliterate this page button, and it will start on the transliteration. This is a process, so in the meantime let's review the other preferences. In the Urdu tools, you see some other preferences, like there is a download link. For example, if you're not if in your case you don't get as neat font as this in your test results, and most probably you don't have the Jamil Noori Nastaliq font installed, all you need to, if you would like to do this, all you need to do is click on this link, download, and follow the instruction on this page, and then you can try with that. I have also added a couple of other popular fonts in the preferences. For example, if you would prefer Urdu Naqsh Asia type, you can try that. Let's try this, and I highlight that another ghazal and do a transliteration with this new font, and now this ghazal has been transliterated and is displayed in the new Urdu Naqsh Asia type font. So with this way you can not only write in Urdu on the forums, on your blogs, but you can convert most of the existing written Roman Urdu to the corresponding Urdu characters as well. Hope you like the tool.